Everybody, I hope you're having an awesome week. This is Dave, and tonight I am enjoying a beautiful pre-spring night in Oklahoma, and I want to show you a gorgeous Freedom Series Rockwood tent trailer. It's a 2318 G, and it is loaded. So has a little porch light there, and it does have a blue rope light up above. How cool is that? So I love their graphics on her. Let me get back so you can enjoy it. So we'll get busy looking at it. So I don't have the stabilizers down, but there's 4 stabilizers on each corner. This door here is for the little cassette, and I'll show you what that goes to. Freedom Rockwood. This has a power lift on it, double batteries, 2 propane tanks, solar panel on the roof. It does have a, what do you call it, a Thule awning, manual awning. This is the king end of the bed. And it does have a slide out. Getting dark. So right here is the outdoor shower. It's got a freshwater holding tank, city water, water heater. I mean, it's got it all. Furnace. This is AC prepped. This one does not have an AC. It might if the owner wants that. You can get a low profile 13.5 or 15. So let's go inside. So this has got a one-piece door. I have it slided down a little bit so you can enjoy the outside, but there's a little grab assist handle. The step is just about right. You can put your platform underneath that and work probably a little bit better. But look out this window. But this goes all the way up, and it'll be a full black door. And it folds up. It goes right up here during travel. So along here you're going to get a gaucho couch, and that does pull out to like a bed, little bed. This is that's the griddle that goes outside, and some stuff they give you. Get quite a bit with these. This has I guess that's a cup holder. How cool is that? I didn't even see that before. Plenty of phone charging areas. There's where you would put a TV, and just all sorts of little places to store things. This table is on its own legs, so it can go outside if you want, and it goes down to a bed, and you just reconfigure those. You can zip up those and have privacy, unzip the plastic and have the fresh air and the view. I have the plastic still up, but it does have really nice looking curtains that go across to give you privacy. And of course, like I said, this goes up. That screen there, it didn't just open, and it goes up, but it's a one-piece door, a really sturdy one too. Then you get this nice little window here, and then this is the king end, and it's got this cool storage area. They're really not bad to put up. Everybody says, oh my god, it's gonna be horrible. It's really not that bad. If I can figure it out, anybody can. Okay, so hot and cold faucet here. Like I said, you got a hot and cold shower outside, plug-ins, more phone chargers. It's probably for the water heater and all that, and a water pump. It's got a 12-volt little fridge, but you know, you could get one of those other little fridges and set maybe over there. I don't know. You could do a lot of things with this coach. So this folds down on the floor, but you get a 3-burner stovetop, and little areas, all sorts of little trays and areas to store stuff. Just all sorts of neat stuff. So right here is going to be a huge attraction I think, for everyone. And this coach is about 2,500 pounds dry. So lifting this up, voila, you have a bathroom. So this is a really nice insert in here. One-piece insert for the shower slash toilet. And like I said, you take the cassette out the other side, so you're not getting it in your coach or anything like that. And there is a shower curtain that would go right up here. It's got its own light. It's blinding us right now. But yeah, really handy. So there's your solar monitor. Like I said, this has got a solar panel on the roof. And just a really nice, fun coach. I can imagine spending the week at the lake in this easy. So anyway, I hope you like this video. Hit like and subscribe. Got any questions, holla. And we'll have some more cool coaches. We have several really nice units. We got one of the ESPs here, then one of the little tiny 1940 LTDs, and which would be a lot of fun. You could pull so easy. It's about 1,600 pounds dry. So anyway, these are a lot of fun. I've had a tent trailer, different brand, years ago, but I had one, and I will verify they're a blast at the lake, and you get all this fresh air, the feeling of the outside, and with being off the ground and being dry. So they're a lot of fun. I even wintered, camped in one. It was fun. So if you want to look out and see beautiful views, then this is the coach for you, and easy to pull. My gosh, you won't even know it's behind your vehicle. So anyway, this is Dave. Hope you had like I said, a great week. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Night.